Instagram followers brought us their brand new Tesla Model 3. Went with the very best lifetime ceramic coating.
Wow, wow, wow.
Yes, that is beautiful.
That shine really helps.
They will not have to wax this beautiful Tesla for a full lifetime of it. It's going to be super easy to clean. Check out that shine. That is absolutely amazing. Beautiful. You can touch it. It's yours. You're welcome. Take your time. There's no rush. What you think, boss lady? All right. Beautiful. Okay, wonderful. I'll go over how easy life is going to be for you guys to take care of this beautiful Tesla now. All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.